Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today we'll talk about the IPO that is coming is Angel Broking. Service truly personalized. As you know that the company incorporated in 1996, the company is one of the oldest stockbroking house providing brokering, margin funding, advisory, financial service through brands Angel Broking, Angel B, which is powered by ARQ. They have a strong market presence with active clients on National Stock Exchange with a market share of around 6.3 and 2.15 operational broking account as of June 2020. So it is a digital transformation, helped it in fourth largest company in terms of active NSE clients and second largest in terms of incremental NSE clients in Q1 FY21. Okay, so Angel Broking is a pioneer in new clients activation, have access to approximately 79.55 million person as of June 30, 2020, which is very big. And from Q1 FY20 to Q1 FY21, it's an average daily turnaround has been increased from 2,53,176 million to 6,18,945 millions, which is a very good growth in this lockdown period. The company's promoter are Dinesh D. Thakkar, Ashok D. Thakkar and Sunita A. Magnani. These are the promoters of the company. As you know that Angel Broking offers some of the key products and financial services to the clients: broking and advisory, margin trading facility, investor education, loans against share and research services. As we know that the company's IPO is coming on 22 September to September 24, 2020. Issue type is book built issue IPO. Issue size is equity share of 10, which is around 600 crores. And fresh issue will be there of 300 crores, equity of 10 each. Offer for sale will be there of 300 crores, which is of 10 each. Face value is of, I have told you already, 10 each. Equity shares, IPO price will be around 305 to 306 equity shares. And market lot, one lot will be having 49 shares, and minimum order you have to give one lot, that is for 49 shares. Listing will be happening in NSE and BSE. As you can see, the offer, the bid will open on September 22 and close on 24th September, and finalization of allotment will happen on September 29. Initiation of refund will happen on September 30. Credit of share on Demat account, it will be on October 1. IPO share listing will be on October 5. The minimum order you can give is one lot, that is of 49 shares. It will cost you around 14,994 rupees, while maximum you can do is 13 shares, which is 637, which is equals to 1,94,922. Okay, and Angel Broking IPO promoters pre-issue shares holding is 65.42, which is a big issue. I'll post, it is not mentioned. Okay, as I'm telling you the profits, which is from 2018 to 2019 and 20. Okay, as you can see, the total assets as on 31st March 2020 is 22,828. okay, these are all in millions. And the revenue on that 2000 March 31 is 7,536, and profit after tax is 1,010. Okay, in March 2019 the profit have reduced to around 766, but the revenue has increased 7,626, and the total assets have decreased 21,690. But in March 2020 the assets have not increased, but it is like on the same. It's 21,592.05, while revenue is 7,427, and the total profit have increased is 866.24 millions. Okay, And the total assets in 30 June 2020, as you know that the digital, most people are focusing on the digitalization, and because of the lockdown, most of the people are trading. So the assets have increased 29,731.02 millions. So revenue has decreased, but that does not mean that it's not performing good. But yeah, it's a total revenue is 2,440, and profit after tax is 381.83, which is very good. Okay, and angel broking offer size by investor category, I am telling you as on the percentage also I am telling you. Anchor have number of shares 58,82,353, which is 30%. QIB is 39,34,425, which is 20%. NII 29,50,820, which is 15%. And retail will be having 68%, 35%, 68,85,246, which makes a total of 196,52,844. Okay. The objective of the issue is the net proceeds from the fresh issue will be utilized toward the following object: to meet working capital requirement and general corporate purposes. Few of the competitive strength that angel broking having is they have a very strong brand name, plus they have advanced technology and digitalization, as it is the few of the largest broking houses. Strong client base they have, pan India presence they have, strong financial performance they have, which I have already shown. Okay, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want that you get a notification of my new videos, please press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. Thank you.